So pray, O the source where you and me are one and the same. I pray to you, make this into reality. Whatever you want to say, say. In this way, you will never feel cheated. Understand, sometime Guru will not give you what you want. Your stupid mind will try to make you feel you have been cheated. It is like I've seen in India, girls, the moment they become 19, just because father does not buy a cell phone for her, they develop a love affair with a boy who will gift a cell phone, and they run away, get married. They don't live more than 1 or 2 years. Divorce and come back. Please understand, I am not talking something exaggerated. I am talking something happening in villages. When she is depressed that father is not giving a cell phone, that boy is using that depression to put himself as a hero into her. Once she feels he is a hero, over. Understand? Always the negative sources will try to show themselves as hero to you when you feel you are not granted the boon you asked from Guru or God, whatever. That is why I tell you, always pray to that source, O source, where you and me are one and the same. The Sohamasmi is the reality. I ask you, I do not know whether that source is now in Guru's being or in this body. It is based on the level of completion you have. If you have too much incompletion inside you, naturally the source will be on the Guru's being. If there is less incompletion, more completion in you, the source will start moving towards you. When you become completely complete, the source will be centered on you. So, you don't even have to worry where the source is. Just say, oh, the source, where me and you are one and the same, and make whatever you wanted. You can ask him and ask him, please make this into reality. You can also put a footnote. If something I am asking is not right for me, then give me the intelligence to develop myself. Or you can also say, even if it is not, you think it is not right, I want only this. No, you have a right. You have a right. All I am asking you is, have the right understanding so that that prayer becomes beautiful process for you to experience oneness, Advaita. Understand? Please remember, whether we understand or not, catch it or not, indeed, the reality is Sohamasmi. That is why the Upanishad uses the word indeed. Whether you got it or not yet got it. Sohamasmi, I am He. So, whether you stand in front of Ganesha, Venkateshwara, Mahadeva, Kalbhairava, or your Guru, tell, whatever is the source where you and me are one and the same, I pray to you, I pray to that, please make this as a reality. In this way, your every moment of prayer will be a process for you to achieve oneness, living enlightenment, Advaita. Go on praying. Even if you have not got what you wanted, you will get what He wanted. Even if you don't get what you wanted, you will get what He wanted. That is why I am telling you, the prayer should be put in the right context.